Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for another video. Today we are vlogging. We have come to Bicester Village for a little trip out, haven't we guys?
We have.
My sister's back there, I don't know where she is. There she is, hi. And then there's my mum, hi. So yeah, we got here, I mean we were supposed to get here a little bit earlier, but it's fine. Oh, my camera's going funny. It's 11:30, we've just parked.
We're not very good with the early mornings.
Not very good with the early mornings. See what's available. I feel like Bicester is a bit hit and miss, so maybe we'll come out loving life, maybe we'll come out a little bit disappointed. We'll have to see. Here at Bicester, yeah, I'm coming, sorry. We have kind of realised that for some of the places you have to basically get like an online code and queue that way. So I've booked in for Prada because that's where I really want to go. Gucci is basically fully booked until 5, so there's no way we're going there. And then a lot of the other places you kind of scan and see what they have available. It is a little bit unusual, but it's going to be fine. It's just a new way of doing things, you know. I can't imagine it would work too well if it was really busy, so I would say try and come in the week if you can. If not, maybe come early, just because I honestly think if this was like busy on a Saturday and this was the system, you probably wouldn't get into any store. So yeah, that could potentially be a bit of a problem. If you're wondering what I'm wearing today, this coat is Pretty Little Thing. I actually love it. It's my new coat. I will have a video all on Pretty Little Thing coats, either already on my channel or coming very soon. This is H&M, YSL bag, VN leggings, and then my Zara boots. And these are Claire's. Loads of people ask me about my earrings. They're literally Claire's. Anyway, I'm gonna go into Burberry. Hopefully we have a good shopping experience. Hey! Hello, me and Olivia here. And I actually bought something for once in my life. Loads. Very cute. Yeah, I got something from Prada. I'll show you guys when we go home. Also, there's trainers in Balenciaga. I was looking if they had like this puffer coat. Sorry, nearly fell over. That Emily Shack had on. It was so nice, but they didn't have it. They had the nicest leather jackets, but they were like £2 for a leather jacket, and I was like,
do they have the shoes in there?
They've got trainers in there, but they're random colours. But they had some quite good winter colours, like greys, that kind of thing. Trainers were good in there. Bags were relatively good in there. Hello guys, so we have come, I know, well I'm going to talk about that on my video. So we have come to this place for food. I've taken my coat off, and the white coat that I had on, all the fluff has like look, it's all over my jumper. It looks so bad. So apologies for that. Something is going wrong with my camera, honestly. I actually don't know what to do because there is something severely wrong with my camera. So sorry about the lighting situation we've got going on. Anyway, we've come to get some lunch. We've just gone for these little mocktails because I'm on the mocktail hype at the moment. Cheers. I have bought something, thank goodness. My mum's bought something. Liv hasn't bought anything yet.
No, I haven't. I wanted to add keychain though from Burberry.
Yeah, Burberry was closed for technical difficulties. Most of the places you have to do this online queuing thing, which it's not ideal because you might be like number 60 in the queue and you might be in another shop buying something and then you miss your slot in the other shop.
And they're not letting people in.
Like there's no one in the shops.
The shop is empty. Everyone's
standing outside the shop. It's just, yeah, it's not an ideal system, I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit chaotic. So I have gone for fish and chips. This is the world's biggest piece of fish. Don't know what I'm gonna do. Mushy peas, tartar sauce, it's a vibe. Liv is so hungry, so she's eating. What have you got? The plant-based burger with a knife in it, and you've gone for the same. I know, right? I'm not filming you doing that. Liv's looks lovely. That looks like a child. Child has like gone and like packed it all apart. Oh, hello. Hello.
Oh my god, I'm so glad.
Hello. My nose is so itchy. I don't know. I've got allergies or something's going on. We're outside Jimmy Choo. If anyone like knows me personally, then they'll know that I think I got drunk in Marbella like 4 years ago and uploaded a photo of me like hanging outside the Jimmy Choo shop in Puerto Banús, but the O had like fallen off and it looked like I had like yanked it off and I had not, just to clarify, but that's what I think of now when I think of Jimmy Choo. I feel like this is a little bit dull, only because I can't film in the stores because they won't let me. and trust me, I've tried and they're not having any of it. So in this cute little Jo Malone queue with the little Christmas tree moment. Joy, little cinnamon thing over there. Very, very cute. It's quite quiet around here, which is a little bit better. To just go and buy a leather jacket in All Saints, which was kind of like a crazy, well, I say it was a crazy purchase. I've actually wanted to buy a leather jacket because I don't own one. I own like faux leather ones and stuff, but I wanted like a really nice one for so long. But I could never normally find any like that I really, really liked, apart from the ones in All Saints, and they are crazy expensive. But they had 30% off all of the jackets in All Saints. So I saw this men's one that was so nice, like oversized and big and stuff. So I got it for a really good price, so I ended up picking it up, which is a little bit crazy, but I knew when I came here that it was going to be a shopping day, so I'm telling myself it's okay. I just met one of you guys in the All Saints in Bicester, and you were so lovely. So if you're watching this video, then hello. It's all a bit chaotic, like trying to meet some of you guys when I've got a mask on, but she was so lovely. So shout out to you, babes. Hope you're having a nice day. Hope you bought some cute bits. But yeah, anyway, we're just waiting to go into Jo Malone. Liv got a leather jacket, didn't you, hun?
Yeah, I got another.
Oh, wow, leather jacket queen.
Oh my god,
I think there's a fingerprint on my camera right now. I don't really have anything else to say. I just thought I hadn't really vlogged. I'm really sorry I'm not vlogging in the shops. They're very strict about the vlogging in the old shops. I don't know why. They're having none of it, so I'm trying. Liv's been buying, been spending up. She's been in, hey big spender. Right, okay, where's mum gone? I've just been in 2 stores. I've not done amazingly. Oh, here she comes, here we go. Everyone wait, here we go. Oh, there you are.
I popped out of the bushes.
We couldn't find you with your mask. Floral mask, that's a new one.
Yeah.
Santorini. Wow, Santorini. You bought that there. Help support small businesses. Hashtag support small businesses.
€3.50.
No. Right.
Coming back again.
Juicy is huge. Juicy's really come back. What?
The trousers are 20 quid.
In here? Okay, we're gonna go and have a look in here because they're very back on trend.
Pumpkin spice latte with oat milk.
Unfortunately not, we've got no pumpkin spice.
Oh.
We've got this all looked out.
Christmas stuff.
Oh, have you got a Christmas drink in there?
No, not yet, we're getting it.
Oh. Right, my mum was just referring to a comment that I got on Instagram.
Sorry.
I got a comment from this girl asking me how I can possibly go out with my friend Phoebe because she is so attractive and so slim, and how do I not feel so insecure, like how do I brave going outside the door with her? And that just made me laugh. Hi guys, so I hope you're all doing well and you kind of enjoyed that little section previous to this, which basically just kind of took you guys with me to Bicester. Again, I try and vlog as much as I can when I'm out in public, but it's so difficult in those kinds of stores because they all have such strict policies on filming and recording in the store. So I seem to be caught every time I record. I think that's a sign that from now on I need to start recording on my phone and stop recording on this Canon G7X because it just seems to cause me a lot of issues. But we are now home. That footage was from a couple days ago, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the actual things I purchased, talk to you a little bit about the Bicester experience. I feel like if you're from the UK, you will know Bicester is essentially an outlet centre. They are supposed to have brands that do really good discounts, and sometimes it's old stock, sometimes it's stock specifically for the outlet. For instance, Gucci actually produces bags and accessories and things like that for the outlet. So yeah, it's kind of like an outlet centre. If you're from the US, you will know these very, very well. My favourite outlet centres will forever be in the United States, not in the UK. I just think you guys do it really, really well over there. Another thing I am just going to mention, because I know someone might mention it in the comments, yes, I do have like, I have about 5 cold sores on my lip right now. I've always had the cold sore virus. I've had it since I was literally like 6 or something. Yeah, it's a pain, and it looks like I have herpes, but I don't. Well, I have cold sores, which are a family of herpes, but I don't have an STI, just to clarify, everyone. It is the cold sore virus. Absolutely, they make me feel so insecure and horrible because I know how huge they are on my lips. I get them when I'm super run down. I cannot do anything about them, but I know someone might be like, what is that on your lip? I know they're unsightly, they're horrible. It is what it is. I'm going to start out with Prada. There is a Prada outlet. I was super excited because I had a few things in mind that I was looking for in Prada. If you know what you want, I think that's a really good thing because it can be overwhelming in those kinds of stores. yeah, I think the Prada there is actually quite a good one. There's a YSL as well, which is really, really good. So came in the bag, came with the dust bag, doesn't come with a box, which is a little bit sad. We all know that I love a good box, but I will take it. I kind of knew what I wanted to get. So this is super, super cute black Prada bag with gold hardware. So I currently own like one of my most used handbags. I thought it was near here, but it's not. My most used handbags, one of my most recommended handbags if you are thinking of purchasing a designer bag, is my YSL college bag. I think it's really great size. I use it all the time. It goes with everything because it's black, but the hardware on that is kind of like a silver gunmetal, and I really, really wanted a bag with some gold hardware. By the way, if you're not into designer things and handbags, totally appreciate that, each to their own, but you're probably not going to enjoy the next how many minutes of this video. Yeah, but I kind of knew going into the store that this is like the perfect bag that I wanted. Don't get me wrong, guys, I absolutely love those nylon Prada bags. I think they're gorgeous. I think they're really cute, so 90s. I do struggle just because they are like a nylon fabric and they're very expensive with that sort of idea, and I kind of prefer, or try to buy bags that I will still like in like 5, 10, 15 years time. It doesn't always work that way, but I try my best to do that, just so I know I'll have them forever, or I can like give them to my kids, like my daughters or something, if I ever have daughters. But yeah, let me take this off and I can show you guys what it actually looks like. So I've taken all of that wrap off the chain, and you guys can really kind of see what it looks like. This gold hardware is really nice because it's gold, but it's not super like shiny gold, which is exactly what I wanted. Honestly, I'm so happy because this is basically exactly what I wanted going into the store, and I can't believe I found it. So obviously it has a little Prada logo. It has this sort of leather across the front, kind of reminds me of like more of like the Miu Miu style bags, which I also love Miu Miu as well, which they have in the Prada store. So it has that kind of like really cool detail to the leather, and it's also on the back like so. And then you literally open it up and it has, I'll show you guys what it has on the inside. Just one big compartment, a zipper section here if you wanted to pop anything in, and then just a magnetic closure. I adore this so much. I can't even begin to tell you. I think it's such a cute little shoulder bag if you wanted to have it like that, but then obviously you can also do this with it and wear it cross body, which I think is so lovely. It's such a fab size as well. They had another one in like kind of like a slightly smaller size, which I also loved, but I ended up going for this one. I do just really quickly want to talk about price. I don't normally talk about prices when it comes to like designer things. I normally just link them below, and if you're interested enough to look, then you will. But I want to talk about price because obviously these bags are not available online. You can only get them in the Bicester store. So a lot of people want to know what they're actually saving. This bag cost me £735. Yes, still a heck of a lot of money. I believe, I don't have the little tag anymore, but I believe the original price of this bag was like 1,050 or 1,150. So there was definitely a saving on the bag. And I knew that if I went into Prada and wanted something like this, it would cost me a heck of a lot more than £730. So I know it's a lot of money, I appreciate that, but I just want to keep you guys in the loop. If you are looking for a designer bag and you have something in mind, Bicester could potentially be a nice spot to kind of pick one up at a slightly discounted rate, and I am so happy with this. I love it so much. I just think for a night out, like for even like dinner, how classy and nice and cute is she? So then next up, I did pop into the White Company. Obviously I still live at home, so I am not buying any homeware, but honestly guys, if you have your own house or like you want to decorate a new space or something, the White Company is just so fab. Like when I go in there, it makes me want to like move out so that I can like buy all the stuff in there. I did just pick up 2 candles. One is a gift and one is for me because I loved the smell so much. So this is the mulled wine candle, and it's a cinnamon, nutmeg and vanilla candle. I'm not going to unwrap it just because you guys know it's literally just one of their glass candles. This, if anyone's wondering, I got for £13 a candle, and I know these definitely retail for a heck of a lot more in the White Company. Honestly, if you're looking for gifts, they have bath sets, shower gel sets, soap sets, bed sheets, pillows, cushions, loungewear, Christmas decorations. They've got it all in the White Company. And then the last shop I popped into is All Saints. I'm a massive All Saints fan. I just think they're a really cool brand and I really love a lot of their pieces, but they are very expensive. And I have wanted an All Saints jacket for leather jacket for years. My only other like leather jacket is a faux leather jacket, and it's from Zara, and I think it's great, but I've had it for like maybe like 7 years. I still wear it. It's quite a slim fitting jacket, so it's nice in the evenings, but I've lusted after All Saints leather jackets forever. But I'm sure we all know they are very, very expensive, like a lot of money. When I went into the outlet, they had 30% off anything in the outlet. So I saw this leather jacket. I actually tried on the women's ones, which my sister bought a women's leather jacket, but I saw the men's ones and I just thought they were really, really nice. So I actually ended up buying a men's leather jacket. The original price of this was £200 and I got it for 140, which I thought was quite a nice little bargain. This is what it looks like. Oh, I love it so much. I got it in a men's medium. It has this kind of like biker padded detail to the shoulders, a nice collar. It looks like this. I just thought layering like with a big slouchy hoodie underneath. You can do it with leggings, jeans. I would still actually wear this in the evening over like an evening outfit as like a nice sort of slouchy jacket. It definitely has more of an oversized fit, so it's not going to be for everyone. It sits like slightly off the shoulders, which I absolutely love. This is what it looks like. I'm in such a peculiar outfit to show you guys this, but oh, I think this is so nice. And obviously if I wanted to, I could do it up and make it a little bit more kind of slim fitting, but what I love about it so much is the fact that it is a little bit more of a biker style. I think that's really, really cool. I love it so much with my like chunky biker boots. I just think this is such a good autumn winter staple really in my wardrobe personally, is a leather jacket. Also I feel like, does anyone feel like this? You have leather jackets for years. Like my mum has some leather jackets that she's literally had for most of her life because I don't feel like they date. Like leather jackets just never really go out of style, do they? So super excited about styling this up and wearing it for the winter. That is actually everything I picked up in Bicester. I know it's not the biggest haul ever, but I was with my mum and my sister and they bought a few gifts for people, so it was definitely a productive and useful trip, I guess you could say. We are going to go back closer to Christmas and buy some Christmas gifts. I just kind of need to write more of a list and be a bit more organised. But yeah, it was a really nice day out and something different to do at the moment. Obviously I know the world is still a little bit crazy right now, but it's a nice little trip and takes your mind off everyday life. And yeah, it's really pretty Bicester, like it's all outside. There's some really nice spots to go for lunch or dinner if you want. I actually met one of you guys in All Saints while I was trying on the leather jacket. One of you guys came up to me and you were like the sweetest girl ever. She was such a babe. So if you're watching this, hi. Yeah, if ever you guys see me out, by the way, please come and say hi. You don't understand how much it makes my whole day. Like it honestly lifts my mood. Like if I'm in a bit of a funny mood and then I meet one of you guys, I'm like, oh, so nice. So anyway, it was a really nice day. If you have any questions about it that I haven't answered in this video, feel free to shoot them below. Send me a message on Instagram, whatever you guys want to do. I hope you like this kind of vlog / haul style video. A little bit random, and you've been enjoying my content. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you all so, so much, and I will see you all in my next video.